This week's problem is about socks, so it's brought to you by the White Sox, the Red Sox, and the Cubs, because they're going to the playoffs. Well, if you've read this week's problem, you know it's about a man who has 45 socks all mixed up in a drawer in a very dark closet. And so he likes to go into the closet without turning in the lights and pulling the socks out in the complete dark. So he can't see his socks and he can't tell what color they are. But we can, and here they are. Now, you've probably already figured out that if he were extremely lucky, he could grab a pair of red, a pair of blue, and a pair of black, and then he'd be all done and he'd have his 3 pair with just 6 socks. But that's not what this question is about. This question is about what's it going to take for him to be absolutely positive that he has a pair of each color. So instead of looking at the best case scenario, we need to look at the worst case scenario. And even though it would be extremely unlikely, it would be possible for him to go in and get all of the red and blue socks before he picks up a single black sock. And so that would be 38 socks, and there would be 7 left, and they would all be black. So then he'd have to make sure that he got 2 more, and then his grand total would be 40. And if he took 40 socks out of his closet, he would be positive that he would have a pair of each color.